Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Kia Sorento headlights. First, park your Sorento on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight lens. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape for this task. This preparation ensures accurate and effective adjustments for optimal visibility. Now open your Sorento's hood to access the headlight assemblies. Look for the vertical adjustment screw, typically found on the top of the headlight unit. This screw controls the up and down movement of the beam. Next, locate the horizontal adjustment screw, usually positioned on the side. This one manages the left and right alignment. Identifying these correctly is key. With the screws located, it's time to adjust. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to turn the vertical screw. Turning it clockwise or counterclockwise will raise or lower the headlight beam. Then, adjust the horizontal screw to move the beam left or right. Remember to adjust one headlight at a time, covering the other, to ensure precise alignment and avoid confusion. After adjusting, step back and observe the beam pattern on the wall. Ensure both headlights are properly aligned and that the beam cutoff is level and clear. A correctly aimed headlight improves safety for you and other drivers. Double-check your work to confirm optimal visibility. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description below for a link to this product and other great deals to keep your ride fresh and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.